Happy Monday, October 3rd, 2022. And I'm really excited for all of you guys here that are tuning in to this video. Today, I wanted to get on here and talk to everybody about what it takes to get your life insurance license. How do you get your life insurance license? And my goal here today is to show you what it takes. But before I do that, I want to share a little bit about my story on how I got my insurance license almost 19 years ago at the age of 25 years old. And somebody else that was in the business, in the financial industry, thought I would be a good life insurance agent. And what he did was introduce me to some players that have had a lot of success in the space. Interviewed with them. And I thank Rick Altig from American Income Life for helping me get my license so many years ago. Because that one decision that I made years ago to prepare for the license, to study for it, to pass all the background checks, changed the course of my life, as well as the life of many of my friends, family, over the last 19 years. And people come to my channel, they're interested in learning more about insurance sales, but a lot of people don't understand really how it works. So first of all, we're going to start with that. The reason people get into insurance sales is because you can do very well for yourself. It's one of those business that you can either fail miserably or make a lot of money. You got to put in the time, you got to put in the energy. It's your business. But you do require a license to sell insurance in the state you're in. And then if you're selling across the country like we are, then you would need a non-resident license for every single one of those states that you're doing business in. The investment is minimal compared to what you can make. When I started, I paid my way through it. I must have invested, when it was all said and done, around $800. Because when I started, I couldn't do the online course. There was no such thing. You would have to wait for your time, go in person, and do it in that nature. 2022, it's all digital. And one of my goals is to help 1,000 students every single month by providing a way to receive your pre-licensing courses, providing a huge discount for you, so that way you can be on that path. My goal, again, is 1,000 every single month of students from all walks of life looking to get their insurance license and looking to study for it. But before I get into that, let me share with you guys a little bit of that goal. And this will show you here, October 3rd, 2021, I was averaging around 41 new students every single month in this stage of the game, right where you're at right now. This is part of it, helping you get your license. And for others, not only do we help them get their license, but then we show them how to sell and we show them how to close. Regardless, if you use this discount and you work for anybody else, it doesn't matter to me, because my goal here today is to help 1,000 people a month. A year ago, I was at 41. This morning, my average is at 87. So every single month, this average is growing. And what it's telling me is that more and more people are showing up here to my channel, are asking to join, and we're helping them. Not just in our group, but others, we're helping them with this. So why are so many people jumping on this, studying for this? What is it? Well, yes, life insurance helps families. Life insurance pays claims. Understood. But let's talk a little bit of money. For me, that investment that I made 19 years ago at 25 years old of $800 turned into something else for me. And I'm going to share it with you. Lincoln Heritage Life Insurance was my main company that I began my career with. And I was there 6 years. At the end of that 6-year period, I received this letter from the carrier. Now, please be advised, I already knew how this income works, but receiving this letter changed my mentality forever. And nowadays, you don't see a lot of agency owners or agency men showing these type of letters from the carriers. And I'm going to read it to you guys. Mr. Lauro, deferred commissions. Dear Mr. Herrera, following is information regarding the deferred commissions from your accounts with us. Deferred commissions are projections of money that are paid as they are earned. We have two types of deferred commissions. First are the deferred first-year commissions. This is money that can be earned over the next 12 months during the first year the policy is in force. The deferred first-year commissions for you are $360,399. This would average out to $30,033 per month over the next 12 months. Second kind of deferred commissions are the deferred renewal commissions. These are commissions are what can be paid over the next 10 years on business paying in its second through 10th year. Your deferred renewal commissions are $1,388,775. This would average out to $11,573 per month over the next 120 months. Deferred commissions have nothing to do with future business written. It will be paid whether or not another piece of business is written, so as long as the premiums are paid. The deferred commissions noted above do not take into account the referral commissions after 10 years, commonly referred to as service fees. We appreciate all your efforts over the almost 6 years that you have been with us. Keep up the excellent work. Sincerely, Norman Beezer, Vice President. When I received this letter, this is the money they owed me for all the policies that myself and my agency had written in those first 6 years from the moment in time I was issued my life insurance license. So, yes, you can make commissions first year and make great money. And in sales, you can make a lot of money selling high-ticket items and real estate, investments, etc. Residual income is the name of the game for us insurance folk that have been doing this for any time now. This is what matters. This is why we've gotten into the business. Yes, to help people pay claims. And we paid millions of dollars of claims with Lincoln. But it's also to build something that can truly pay you for many years to come. Lincoln's a great company. I'm very happy with them, satisfied with our relationship. From there, I moved over with Scott Riddle, Senior Life, 5-figure monthly check with them, round 2, and a few other handful of carriers that today pay me a residual check every month. All by selling final expense funeral insurance, which is a form of life insurance. I share this with you guys so you can understand why I'm so passionate about helping people that I've never known before get their license. And at this point in time, I'm averaging 87 students a month. And my goal is to be at 1,000. How long will that take me? I am not sure. It took me a year to double my student count. But there's something interesting about what's happening right now with this channel here on YouTube. A lot of people are coming here. They're coming here for a resource. A lot of people have learned from our content. And thank you for sharing this with me. So now, to you that's watching this video, how do you get your license? Well, if you go to the website, xcelsolutions.com, go ahead and download the salary guide. It's a good start. Get an idea what the average salaries are in the market space. And write down my virtual code, which is Virtualfe. Again, my promo code is Virtualfe. One more time, Virtualfe. And I'll go ahead and put it in the content section here in the bottom part so you can go to the website and also get the promo code. This promo code is going to give you a discount. It's a sizable discount. And this is a discount I am passing on to you, a significant one. Xcel Solutions, we've been partnered now for several years, and they are very committed to helping me on this mission. And they've given us this discount for our staff. So with that said, let's go ahead and let me show you how you go about doing this. Okay, you're going to go ahead and do insurance pre-license in English. You can also do Spanish. We're going to select the product. Let's go with, let's say you're in Texas. Every state is very specific. Now you will select the course. Texas Life and Health pre-licensing, Texas life pre-licensing, Texas Property and Casualty pre-licensing. If you're only going to sell life insurance only, then I would recommend you do the life pre-licensing only. If you're going to do life insurance and some health insurance, like you hear a lot about Medicare sales, then you're going to want to do this top one. But let's go ahead and use the Texas pre-license. We'll go to the card. Okay, we'll go in here, punch in Virtualfe. That is our promo code to get the discount. And voila, you guys can see they apply the Virtualfe discount code from $199 to $49.99. And this is one way that I'm able to help you guys get your foot in the door. When I started, this course cost $500. Obviously, today it's half of that. Still pretty pricey. Once you pay for this, then you will get an interface where you can log in, start taking the courses, start preparing to get your license. And once you go through the hours, typically 32 hours of studying, you can do it after work, before work, at night. You can do it online at your leisure. Once you're done, you will receive a certificate. Once you receive that certificate, ladies and gentlemen, you will present to the Department of Texas Insurance or the state that you're in. You will fingerprint. They will run a background check. So if you have any felonies in your background, it'd be good if you called the Department of Insurance and ask if they would make an exception. Most of the time they don't. If you have major tax issues or any background issue, then that's what you would want to do before even purchasing. But if your background's clean, then you go and take the test. You take that test and you pass. Once you pass that test, you pass the background, the state Department of Insurance will issue you your license, which at that point in time, you can go and get appointed with the carrier of your choice or the agency of your choice, and you can go to work. Again, I'm doing this to help all of you guys out. Someone helped me many years ago get my license. And that $800 investment that I made 19 years ago turned into an 8-figure compensation for me over 19 years when it's all said and done in total compensation. So again, if you're watching this and we can help you, please write down this promo code, Virtualfe, and take down this website. Once you pass the test, once you pass your background checks, and you're looking for a place to call home or you're looking for someone to train you, please take a look at some of my other content. We specialize in final expense only, but we work with different groups across America in a neutral capacity. We just want to see others grow and have success, just like we've had over all these years. The failure rate in this business is very high. It's important for you to have some realistic expectation to understand that this is a business. Unless the agency is hiring you on a salary or some other form of compensation, this would be the type of compensation, 1099. What you kill is what you eat. So again, my friends, thank you all for tuning in. Share someone that's looking to get into the space, as well as the discount code. You both have a great day. Enjoy your week, and thank you very much.